with me for a second. You know grammar, you've studied English for years, you can read, you can understand, but when you speak, it still sounds basic, flat, not natural. And you're like, why do I still sound like this, even though my grammar is good? If that's you, this video is for you, because the problem is not your grammar. And today I'll show you what's really holding you back and how to fix it. Most English learners don't fail because they're bad at English. They fail because they learned school English and they're trying to use it in real life. Textbook English, exam English, perfect grammar English. But real English doesn't work like that. Let me explain. Reason 1. You focus too much on grammar. Grammar is important, yes, but native speakers don't think about grammar when they talk. They think about meaning, rhythm, and flow. For example, you say, I have eaten already. A native speaker might say, I ate already. Both are correct, but the second one sounds faster, simpler, more natural. So, grammar alone doesn't make your English sound fluent. Reason 2. You don't use spoken fillers and softeners. This one is huge. Native speakers use small words that make speech sound human. Words like well, you know, actually, I mean, kinda, sorta. For example, without fillers, I didn't understand your point. Can you repeat? Correct, but robotic. With fillers, I kinda didn't catch your point, you know. Can you say it again? Same message, but now it sounds friendly and natural. Skipping these makes your English sound stiff, even with perfect grammar. Reason 3. You speak too textbook. Another big reason your English sounds basic, you're using book sentences, not real-life phrases. Textbook English. I would like to inquire about the time of your arrival. Real English. Hey, when are you getting here? Both are correct, but only one sounds like a real human talking. Here is what to do. Speak like a human, not a book. Stop overthinking grammar. Speak first, adjust later. Add small fillers naturally. Use everyday phrases you actually hear. Let's practice quickly. I have to leave now. I gotta go now. I am kind of tired today. I'm kind of tired today. I am going to get some coffee. I'm gonna grab some coffee. See? Simple, fast, natural. If you want to really fix this problem, watch my video, Speak English Like a Native, Gonna, Wanna, Kinda, Sorta, Part 1. It's full of real-life phrases and speaking practice to help you sound confident and natural. Let's recap. Grammar alone doesn't make you fluent. Fillers make your speech sound human. Everyday phrases beat textbook English. Practice this out loud every day, even for 5 minutes. You'll notice your English sounding smoother, faster, and more alive. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment which tip you'll try first. More real English is coming, and I'll be right here practicing with you.